in. Let's go. Couple of little waves coming. Come forward and stroke. Go now. Go now. Watch our timing, girls. Watch our timing. Little waves swelling up out in the back, girls. It's going to break for us though. It'll be fine. I think. Break, you bastard. Come forward. Right, let's go girls. Well, that wasn't in the plan. I thought it.
Well, I've lost my dax. They're halfway down my top. No one's looking, it's okay.
Righto, let's go now. Let's go. Long and strong, length and power. Long and strong. That's it, 52 our can. Lead crews are just turning their can now, so we're still not far behind, even though we got belted. Plenty of power on them. $20 to our can. Power on it, drive it in. And turn. That's better, Claire. And take it away. Couple of little swells coming, girls. We'll get a little lift off these, get us into that wave zone. Here we go, a little swell here. That's it, feel the boat accelerate. That's it, feel the boat run on that one. Let's put some power on them now, girls. Here's another little lift. There we go, run on that one. Run that one. Run with it, Kate. Keep it rolling, Kate. Keep it rolling. Yeah, I'm sorry. Here comes another little one. Another little one here. Let's go. We can probably catch this, girls. Keep it going. Power on it. And sit there. Just lean in a bit, please, Claire. That's it. Blades at 45. Kate, watch that blade angle. Nice wave, girls, nice wave. Ready and out. Nice wave over the head and a nice one coming home as well. Alright, up on that water, up we go. Keep it going, keep it going. Keep going. That'll do. I wasn't looking, Ellie. You're tight.